Hello, welcome to the Programmer's Realm. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to install Python. As you might already know, Python is an interpreted programming language. It is great for beginners, simple to learn, and is quite versatile. Now I'm going to be doing this on a virtual machine. For those of you who may be wondering, this is actually an inbuilt Windows feature. This is called the Windows Sandbox, and you can access it by going into Turn on Windows Features and selecting the Windows Sandbox just at the bottom here. And what this will allow you to do after a computer restart is you'll be able to open up the Windows Sandbox inside of your host machine, and you'll get a brand new Windows installation as a virtual machine. Now, I'm using a virtual machine because I already have Python installed on my host machine. However, for you, you will be doing this on your main machine. The only thing that's installed on this virtual machine is the Brave browser. Now what I'm going to do is go to python.org/downloads, and what you want to do is download the latest version of Python. For me, it's 3.12.4. By the time this video is out, maybe a new version is released, but the process remains the same. So click on download, scroll down and find the correct installer for your operating system. For me, it is the Windows installer 64-bit. For Mac, you'll download the macOS 64-bit Universal Installer. Once the installer is downloaded, run it. Make sure you click this at the bottom. This will allow you to run Python through command prompt or just anywhere on your computer in general. Now, click Install Now, and wait for Python to install. Okay, it's done. We can close the installer now. We can close Brave browser, and I'm going to open up a command prompt. Now, what we're going to do is type Python --version, and we can see we're running Python 3.12.4. Now, if you type Python, you'll go into what's called a REPL, or a read, evaluate, print loop. This allows you to run Python on the fly. It's working. Now the next thing you want to do is install an integrated development environment. Now personally, I use VSCode, but you might choose to use something different. So what I'm going to do now is download VSCode, download for Windows, save the installer, wait for it to download, click OK to this, and run through the installer. Run it for the first time, and you'll be greeted with the themes menu. I'm going to leave the theme alone, get out of the welcome menu, and I'm going to click New File. I'm going to call it helloworld.py. py is the default extension for Python files. I'm going to save it on my desktop, make sure it ends with py. Great. Now we can see that VS Code wants to install the Python extension. This will give us more features within VS Code, so I'm going to install this. Okay, it's installed. I'm going to go back to my helloworld.py file. And now, I will run our first program. I'll type print hello world. And now if you have a look in the top right corner, there's a play button now. If you click this, the Python file will run. And you can see here, it's working. Thank you for watching. This is the Programmer's Realm. Take care.